How much should you actually spend on a cell phone signal booster? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, High Boost Cell Phone Booster for Home Office. First up is the High Boost Cell Phone Booster for Home Office. Priced at $259.99, it caught my eye with its promise to boost 5G and 4G LTE signals for all major carriers. If you want reliable signal strength across 2,000 square feet, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The High Boost effectively boosts signal strength, converting a weak 1-bar signal to a more usable 3-4 bars. This means less frustration with dropped calls and better streaming experiences. With 1,000 reviews averaging 4.4 stars, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Plus, the built-in LCD screen and app help you track signal strength in real time, making installation a breeze. Now, some people complained about the setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the included instructions and use the app, it becomes manageable. It might not be plug and play, but it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you live in a home or apartment that struggles with signal. Skip this one if you're in a larger space, as its coverage is limited to 2,000 square feet, which might not be enough for bigger homes. Overall, it's a solid investment for better connectivity. Now, if the installation complexity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WeBoost Drive Reach Overland. Next, we have the WeBoost Drive Reach Overland, which is designed for adventure seekers. At $549.99, this product caught my attention with its tough build and compatibility with all US carriers. If you want a reliable connection while off-roading, this might be what you're looking for. It's perfect for those weekend road trips where you need your GPS or want to stay connected. The customer support is also impressive, with US-based help available through various channels. However, some users mention that the price is a bit steep for casual use. Here's the thing, if you're frequently out in the wilderness or traveling, the investment is justified for the peace of mind it brings. This is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need connectivity while exploring. Skip this one if you only need a signal booster for home use since it's tailored for vehicles. It's a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize connectivity on the go. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for affordability. Product number 3, ZORIDA Cell Phone Booster. The ZORIDA Cell Phone Booster comes in at a more wallet-friendly price of $159.99. It immediately caught my eye because it promises to enhance signals for all US carriers without requiring registration. If you're looking for a budget option that still packs a punch, this is worth considering. It's designed for multiple devices, which is great for families or shared spaces. With an average rating of 4.2 stars from 706 reviews, many users have found success with its performance. Now, some users have pointed out that it works best only if you have at least 1-2 bars of signal outside your home. Here's the thing, if you're in an area with no signal to begin with, this won't help much, but for many, it's the perfect fix. This is perfect for you if you live in a small home or studio and struggle with weak signals. Skip this one if you're in a larger building, as the coverage might not reach every corner. It's an effective budget solution that won't break the bank. Now, if the affordability aspect is what you liked, the next product offers even more coverage for bigger spaces. Product number 4, High Boost Cell Phone Booster for Multi-Room. Next up is the High Boost Cell Phone Booster for Multi-Room, which covers an impressive 8,000 square feet at a price of $519.97. It immediately grabbed my attention because of its capability to boost signals across multiple rooms. If you have a larger space that struggles with connectivity, this is worth a serious look. This unit comes with 2 indoor antennas and boasts a gain of up to 70 dB, making it capable of converting weak signals into reliable coverage for everyone in your home. It's compatible with all US carriers, which means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 673 reviews, many users rave about its effectiveness. However, some users found the setup process a bit complex. Here's the thing though, once you get through the installation, the performance makes it all worthwhile. For someone needing extensive coverage, the effort pays off. This is perfect for families or businesses operating in larger areas that require consistent connectivity. Skip this one if you're in a small apartment, as it might be overkill. It's a fantastic choice if you need wide coverage without sacrificing performance. Alright, that was a powerful option. But if you want something that balances price and performance for average-sized homes, the next one is just right. Product number 5, WeBoost Home Multi-Room. Finally, we have the WeBoost Home Multi-Room priced at $569.99. This system is marketed as the best option for most people, and I can see why. It claims to boost signals in areas up to 5,000 square feet, which is perfect if you have a medium-sized home. If you want reliable connectivity everywhere in your house, this one's definitely worth a look. What's particularly cool about this booster is its ability to eliminate dead zones and dropped calls. It promises up to 100x better signal, which can transform your experience with everything from streaming to texting. With a 4.2-star average from 2,700 reviews, users seem quite satisfied with its performance. Now, some people mention that it can require more than one unit for larger homes. Here's the thing, for most average-sized houses, this should suffice, but larger homes might need additional support. This is perfect for homeowners who want to ensure connectivity throughout their space. Skip this one if your living space is smaller, as it might be more than you need. It's a great investment for quality and peace of mind in coverage. So to wrap it up, we've covered the high boost for home offices, the WeBoost Drive Reach for off-road adventures, the budget-friendly ZORIDA, the extensive coverage high boost for multi-room, and the WeBoost Home Multi-Room. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs before making a choice. Whatever you pick, you're on the right path to eliminating poor signals.